Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of Battle.net application on your mobile device. If you're trying to log out of your Battle.net account on mobile but cannot find the option, then I've got you covered. First of all, open up the Battle.net application from your smartphone and make sure that you are on the main home screen. From the home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. From the expanded menu, make sure to scroll all the way down and you will see a Logout button. Tap on it, but before logging out and confirming, make sure you remember your credentials. If you do, you can tap on Logout safely and that should log you out of your Battle.net account. And there you have it. That's how easily you can log out of Battle.net on your mobile device quick and easy. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more game launcher tips and mobile gaming how-tos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.